I should've kept you close, I should've held you tighter, cause in my book you were my favorite chapter. And when we left each other, damn, what was I thinking? Thought there was no answer, so blinded to believing. Now you're probably thousands of miles away, and it's been years since I've seen your smiling face. And even though I took measures for all my pain, I still dream about you lately and hallucinate. Yeah. Lost lady, where have you gone? Please come back to my heart. I'm out here waiting for you to go. Oh, I never should've let you go. I'm feeling I wish I could've followed. And I spend my nights alone, cause without you in my life I'm always feeling alone. I'm beat up, no longer wasted, waking from this nightmare back when we were young, making these promises of everlasting. Started fresh as anesthesia, shadows into feel I'm repeating moments with another, only able when I'm drunk. Why do I miss you as if you are departed, when you might be lucky and dearly beloved? And through it all I still have this damn obsession, can't seem to break out this spell, can't stop searching. Lost lady, where have you gone? Please come back to my heart. I'm out here waiting for you to go. Oh, I never should've let you go. Feeling I wish I could've followed. And I spend my nights alone, cause without you in my life I'm always feeling alone. What if I'm living day to day, with no regret I'm content, of all the little things in front of me, no more thinking of you then. No more praying you were doing well, no stressing if I hear them wedding bells. But if I wanted to be selfish I wouldn't be able to help it, I wonder, where have you gone? Lost lady, where have you gone? Please come back to my heart. I'm out here waiting for you to go. Oh, I never should've let you go. Feeling I wish I could've followed. And I spend my nights alone, cause without you in my life I'm always feeling alone. Lost lady, where have you gone? Please come back to my arms. I'm out here waiting for your call. Oh, I should've never let you go.
I could be who you want, cause I know that I need to be happy too. And then things turn to dust when I've loved just to mess up and tell the truth. All I hear is an echo, turn the words that we say to ammo. Sleeping on my side of the bed though, weeks have gone, can't let go. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name, I go crazy. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name. make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, 'cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name, I go crazy. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, 'cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name.
Bump right into you, I get all tongue-tied. Want you to know me, but I'm way too shy. I can't just go around admitting that it's you I like. I wish that I had guts enough to flirt a little, but I'm too scared. I'll